In this video, we'll cover the following. What is a U-chart? What does U-chart data look like? How does a U-chart differ from a P-chart? And 3 methods for creating a U-chart using QI macros. A U-chart determines the stability of a process when there can be more than one defect per unit. Some examples might be errors per bill or dents in a car door. U-chart data is attribute or counted data consisting of a count of defects and a varying sample size. Notice that the upper and lower control limits of a U-chart are not flat lines. This is because the sample size in the data varies. We call these varying upper and lower control limits skyline limits. Skyline limits are unique to the P-chart and the U-chart. If your sample size did not vary, your upper and lower control limits would appear flat. U-charts are often confused with P-charts. P-charts also handle attribute data and varying sample sizes, but here's the difference. A U-chart counts the total number of defects. Each unit can have more than one defect, for example, an apple with insects, bruising, and molding, but every defect is counted. A P-chart, on the other hand, counts the number of defective units, so while there may be more than one defect, as in a U-chart, the defective unit is counted only once. Let's take a look at the 3 methods for creating U-charts using QI macros. Method number 1, a quick U-chart for existing Excel data. If you already have data collected in an Excel spreadsheet, simply highlight your data, then find the U-chart in the Control Charts section of the QI macros menu under Attribute. QI macros will create your chart, perform stability analysis, and highlight unstable points and trends on the chart and in the data. Here's another quick chart method. Highlight your data and click Control Chart Wizard. The wizard will identify your data as U-chart data, create your chart, perform stability analysis, and highlight any unstable points and trends on the chart and in the data. Method number 2, the U-chart template. Use a template for ongoing data collection. Template charts populate automatically as you enter your data. You can save the template to add more data as you collect it. Find the U-chart template in the Control Chart Templates section of the menu under Attribute. The template opens to a worksheet of instructions containing links to more free training resources. There's a worksheet tab for each type of attribute template. Select the U-chart template. Simply type or paste your data in the input area. The chart will populate automatically as you go. Click the Filter button to more evenly distribute your data across the chart plot area. To analyze stability, first click the chart, then click the QI Macros Chart tab and select Analyze Stability. QI macros will highlight unstable points and trends on the chart and in the data. Save your template with a unique and meaningful file name to continue adding data to it in the future. Method number 3, the U-chart dashboard. Dashboards allow you to track multiple processes from one place. You can quickly update multiple charts from one worksheet. You can quickly organize multiple charts onto one worksheet for easy viewing and presentation. You'll find the U-chart dashboard under Control Chart Templates in the Control Chart Dashboards section. Select CNP PU Dashboard. The dashboard opens to a worksheet containing instructions and links to additional resources. There's a worksheet tab for each type of chart. Click the Datasheet tab to begin. Here, you can input data for up to 30 charts. All datasets will share the same X-axis labels, so be sure these labels are relevant to all of your charts. Once you've input your data in the datasheet, click the Chart Worksheet tab to view your charts. Click the Next and Previous buttons to page through the charts for each of your datasets. To display all of your charts on one worksheet, click the Create Dashboard button. You'll only need to click this button once, the first time you create your dashboard. QI macros will create an individual worksheet tab for each of your charts, and a dashboard displaying all of your charts on one worksheet. Be sure to save your dashboard with a unique and meaningful file name. When you're ready to add more data, click the Datasheet tab. Simply type or paste your additional data into the cells below your existing data and choose one of these three options. Refresh your charts to display your new data without performing stability analysis. Refresh your charts to display your new data and indicate which stability analysis rules have been violated. Or, as in this example, refresh your charts to display your new data and perform stability analysis. Charts have been updated to highlight unstable points and trends and to display your additional data. The charts on the dashboard will also be updated. If you'd like to add an additional chart to your dashboard, first add the data to the data sheet. Then click your Chart Worksheet tab and click the Next or Previous buttons to locate your new chart. Then click the Add this chart to Dashboard button. Your new chart will be added to your dashboard. You can return to the data sheet to refresh your charts with stability or with rules, and your selection will be applied to the new dashboard chart. So, we learned that U-charts are used to count the number of defects within a varying sample size. Skyline limits are unique to the P-chart and the U-chart, and U-charts can be created in QI macros using three methods: a quick chart, or the control chart wizard, a template, or a dashboard. Thanks for watching.